Hello and welcome back to Kentucky Home Garage. Today I have a 2002 BMW X5 3.0 liter engine, and I have a couple codes in there. Got a P0171 and 174 system tooling on bank 1 and bank 2, and also has a P0313 misfire detected with low fuel. Today I'm going to address these two codes, 171 and 174. We have a lean condition, so I'm gonna pull some data and see what we have on the fuel trim. And let's see, custom. I'm gonna go with the short and long-term fuel trim on bank 1, short and long-term fuel trim on bank 2, and my upstream oxygen sensor 1, and sensor 1, bank 1 sensor 1, and bank 2 sensor 1, and see what kind of readings we have here. And as we can see, we have a let me see, where's my, looks like I missed my let me go back. My oxygen sensor, I missed it. Sorry guys, the custom list again. Let's see. Okay, and this one voltage and voltage here. Okay, here we go. Alright, now we can see our fuel trim on the bank 1 and bank 2 is positive. We have a on bank 1 got 17 and 9, it's like 26% positive, and on short term bank 2 and long term we have 18 and 9 is a 27. My oxygen sensor seems like they are stuck lean, on especially in a bank 2. Let me rev it up a couple of times, see what happens. There you go, now they're responding. Now as we can see now, especially on the bank 2, my oxygen sensor, it's almost pegged lean, and as I rev the engine up, my oxygen sensor are going rich, and my fuel trim is no longer in positive. It's going now, it's getting better. You can see -3. So now you guys have now -1, so I got a total of 8, and it's kind of hard to see, but you can see the numbers are getting better. So this is a indication of a vacuum leak. And so any engine with a mass airflow sensor that has a vacuum leak is going to have a positive numbers at the idle, and at the wide open throttle is under the load, the number is going to get better. So this is pretty much across the board for any make and model, whether it's Euro, domestic, Asian, any car, any model, you know, you're gonna see the same response on the engine. So I'm gonna get my smoke machine and under the hood and see if I can find if the vacuum leak is my problem. Alright guys, I got my homemade smoke machine hooked up. I'm gonna leave a link in the description how I made this smoke machine. So anyway, this is a 3.0 liter engine. I put this bag in here to close my intake and from air filter, and I have my hose hooked up to one of these vacuum lines, and now I'm gonna plug in the smoke machine and open up the air and see if you can find any leak. And right there you go. Now we can see I have a big leak on this boot that goes down into the throttle body. So I'll just look around some more, see if I can find any other leaks around. But see on the other side of the engine. These are secondary air diverter valve that has some vacuum lines there as well. I don't see any leaks there. I don't see anything behind the engine either. So seems like the main source of leak is right around the boot that's connected down to idle air control to throttle body. So all right, I'm gonna get the boot and replace it and see if that's gonna fix it. Alright guys, I got the hose out. To get to it, it's not that difficult. You have to take the diesel valve out. You got two bolts right there. You see the holes right here and here. Seems like that I will probably have to replace the diesel valve as well. This gasket deteriorated big time, so I don't think that my fuel trim is will improve, I hope, but no, this has to be addressed as well. And here's the boot. It has a big old crack in it, and I'll have to replace this vacuum hose as well. It's pretty rotted out. So all right, I'll get that done, and we'll check the fuel trim again, see if it make any difference or not. Alright guys, I got my boot back in. It's a new boot, looks okay. Well, still no fix. My fuel trim is still pretty high. My short term, I clear the code, and I have my have a plus 27%. My bank 2 sensor 1 is still pegged pretty much lean. And I think the problem is my gasket on my diesel valve is leaking air. So when I add some sparks to it, you can see the engine changes the idle, and now we can see that my numbers are getting better as I spray more carb in there. My RPM is going up, my short-term fuel trim is going down, so definitely I'm having a issue with my gasket and my diesel valve. So I have to, you can see that my bank 2 sensor now is going rich as well. So next step will be to get new diesel valve and change the gasket, and that should take care of the problem. So this is it. I hope this helped someone. So you can find the vacuum leak by spraying your carb cleaners. The most common cases, if you have a problem, will be here on the diesel valve, this gasket, and down on the boot right in here. You're most likely you're gonna have your vacuum leak here, and make sure to check your vacuum line that goes right in here. So still, I just have to order another diesel valve, and that should take care of the problem. Now you can see I'm still back to 27%. I'm gonna spray my carb cleaner again. Now I can see my RPM goes up and my fuel trim goes down. So definitely I still have an air leak there. So and this should be So once I get diesel valve, this will be fixed. All right. Okay guys, well this is it. I wish I had another gasket to change to completely fix this issue, but basically what I'm trying to explain, when you see elevated fuel trim on the idle, that is with the engines with a mass airflow sensor, that is indication of a vacuum leak. Now if you have an engine with a MAP sensor with a vacuum leak, you most likely is going to have a higher idle, maybe 8, 9, or maybe 1,000, that's indication that you have vacuum leak with a map sensor in those kind of engines. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye.